Hello everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I will guide you on how to use MTX to increase views and repost your X, formerly Twitter, posts using the MTX software. First, access MTX and select the seeding function. Next, choose the account you want to use to like and repost that post. Next, set the time between two actions from 5 to 10 seconds and 10 retries for errors. Next, we will get the ID of this post. Okay, to get this ID, go back to your X section. Click the Share button, copy link. Go back to X and paste it here. You can see this number. Delete the extra parts and only keep the ID. Save it. Next, below, choose the number of posts you want to process. Here, I can select one, or if you have more, you can increase this quantity. Next, you can add a comment, attach hashtags, or follow the account. Here, I will like the post and also repost it. Then you enter the content for the repost. You can put good, I'll put good here, or you can put hello. Save it. Then you just need to click start. The software will automatically open and run for you. If you found this video useful, please give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next video.